Hey guys, it's Mr. H. I'm going to do question 28 from the August 2025 Algebra 1 Regents exam. They've given us, this is a two-way frequency table, and they're giving us information and they want us to fill in the numbers for the two-way frequency table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by entering everything that they give us, and then we're going to go from there and deduce or figure out what the other parts need to be in order to complete the table. So let's go. It says we have a survey that was given to 180 cell phone users. So that's the total number of users. I'm going to put that down here. Let me make this a little bigger so everyone can see it a little better. And then it says the results show that 59 adults own brand B. So brand B, and we need adults. So we're going to put 59 in here. That's that part. And it said 32 teenagers own brand A. So we go to brand A, go to teenager box. So we got 32 there. And it says of all the people surveyed, 40% own brand A. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up a proportion. 40%, that's 40 over 100, is equal to of all the people surveyed. How many people did they survey? 180. So now all we have to do is solve for this. Now, this is just cross multiply, you're done. Or if you wanted to, you can use menu 32 to solve it. So let's see, I am just going to knock off some zeros here, knock off a zero here. So this is going to be 18 times 4, which is 72. So that means um, 72 people own brand A. 72 total people. Now, that's all the information that they gave us initially. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to go through and figure out what's left. So if there were 32 teenagers who owned brand A and a total of 72, that means that there must have been 40 adults who own brand A. Now that I've got this, I know that if there's 40 adults that own brand A and 59 that own brand B, that means there are 99 adults that own both types of phones. And that means also, what else can we deduce? So that also means that we have 81 teenagers total. Because let's see, 180 minus 99, that is 1. That would be 8. There you go. So we have 81 teenagers in the survey. There were 99 adults, and they total up to 180. Now that we have this number, we can go 81 minus 32, and that would be 949. So there are 49 teenagers who own brand B. And now what we can do is we can either go here and subtract to find this number. Actually, I'm going to do both to make sure that these total up. So 59 plus 49 is going to be 108. And if I do 108 plus 72, I get 180. So I'm pretty confident that this is a correct table. Now, what I like to do is basically I like to start with the information that they give us, and if there's any percents, set the percents up and then solve them. And then once I've gotten everything that they've given me, I go through and deduce what's left. Now, if you've done this properly, there should always be a way for you to deduce what things are missing. Okay, so if you get to a point where you're stuck, that usually means you've made a mistake. Okay, that's it. They like these two-way frequency tables. They are using these more and more. Sometimes it's in the constructor response. Quite often they're in the multiple choice section, but basically it's usually you're just having to do a couple percents and then you're good to go. All right, I'm going to stop and go ahead and post this.